Arkansas third-party workers' injury claims lawyer. If you were hurt at work and someone outside your employer caused the accident, you may have the right to more compensation than workers' compensation alone provides. Workers' compensation in Arkansas pays medical bills and partial lost wages when you are injured on the job. It does not pay for pain and suffering, full wage loss, or future earning capacity. A third-party workplace injury claim allows you to pursue those additional damages when a non-employer is responsible. A third-party claim is a personal injury lawsuit filed against someone other than your employer who caused or contributed to your work injury. Arkansas law generally prevents injured workers from suing their employer or coworkers for ordinary negligence. That immunity does not extend to outside parties such as drivers, manufacturers, property owners, or contractors. Your workers' compensation claim and your third-party claim operate on separate legal tracks. You can receive workers' compensation benefits while also pursuing a lawsuit against the negligent third party. For example, if a defective forklift or tool caused your injury, you may have a product liability claim against the manufacturer. If you were struck by another driver while performing your job duties, you may have a motor vehicle claim against that driver. If unsafe property conditions caused your fall while working, the property owner may be legally responsible. Construction sites often involve multiple companies, creating third-party liability for general contractors or other subcontractors. These claims require proof of negligence or defect, unlike workers' compensation, which is a no-fault system. The benefit of a third-party claim is access to full damages. Those damages can include complete wage replacement rather than partial benefits. They can also include pain and suffering and loss of enjoyment of life. Future medical expenses and reduced earning capacity may also be recoverable. Arkansas follows a fault-based system for personal injury cases. This means the at-fault party is legally responsible for the harm they cause. In vehicle-related work injuries, Arkansas law requires drivers to carry liability insurance, though limits may be insufficient for serious injuries. In product cases, manufacturers may be held strictly liable for defective or unreasonably dangerous products. Property owners have a duty to maintain reasonably safe premises for workers lawfully on their property. General contractors may owe a duty of care when they control job site safety conditions. One important issue in third-party cases is subrogation. Subrogation allows a workers' compensation carrier to seek reimbursement from a third-party recovery for benefits it paid. Arkansas law also requires the carrier to share proportionately in attorney fees and costs. This can significantly affect the amount an injured worker ultimately receives. Proper coordination between claims can protect your benefits and maximize recovery. Timing is critical because evidence can disappear and legal deadlines apply. Arkansas generally allows 3 years to file a third-party personal injury lawsuit. Waiting too long can permanently bar your claim. An experienced lawyer can investigate the accident, identify all responsible parties, and handle insurance communications. A knowledgeable attorney can also negotiate workers' compensation liens to improve your net recovery. Gates Law Firm has extensive experience handling third-party workplace injury claims across Arkansas. Joseph Gates has recovered over $162 million for injury victims by pursuing all available sources of compensation. The law firm focuses on protecting workers' compensation benefits while aggressively pursuing third-party claims. If you were injured at work due to a negligent third party, speaking with a lawyer early can make a meaningful difference. An attorney can explain whether your case qualifies and what compensation may be available. Gates Law Firm PLLC is located at 2725 Cantrell Road, ST 200, Little Rock, Arkansas, 72202, and you can call 501-779-8091 to discuss your Arkansas third-party workplace injury claim.